Hey there, are you ready to choose to go all in on your goals, your dreams, and achieve the wealth and the freedom that you want this year? Then I have an EFT tapping video session for you today that is all about just that, choosing in favor of your goals and dreams, choosing in favor of you. And I'm using the choice method today, which is very, very powerful because it actually gets around a lot of those blocks that are in the subconscious. You know, those tail enders when you say, I will, I am, and the subconscious mind goes, no, we don't, because we're too scared, or because we're not good enough, or because we just don't feel safe. So, and this is why we procrastinate. This is why we do a lot of things. It's why we get in our own way. It's why we self-sabotage. So the I choose statements actually get around a lot of that. So firstly, I want you to think about whatever might be slowing you down, holding you back, and stopping you from going all in on your vision, your goals, your dreams for this year. What's stopping you? The only thing that's stopping you is you. And it is your limiting beliefs, your fears, your doubts, you're not feeling safe that is causing you to not take the action that you need to take, to not show up with a can do, no matter what, whatever it takes kind of attitude. So identify what is it that is holding you back. Write it down. Think about, what are you most afraid of? Are you ready to let that shit go? Are you? Seriously? Okay. If you are, then let's get on with the tapping. Start by tapping on the side of the hand and repeat after me. Even though I have these blocks that I have been allowing to hold me back, slow me down, and stop me from achieving my goals, I deeply and completely love and accept all of me. Even though I have allowed these blocks, not feeling safe, not feeling good enough, to stop me from doing what I need to do to achieve my goals and dreams, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept who I am and how I feel right now. Even though I keep getting in my own way and sabotaging my own progress, I choose to love, honor, and accept all of me right now. Okay, tapping through the points, starting with the inside of the eye. I am ready to let this shit go. I am done holding myself back. I am ready to move forward with confidence, with conviction, with certainty. I am ready to choose in favor of me. I refuse to tolerate mediocrity anymore. I'm ready to step into my power and become the most powerful version of me who is capable of achieving any goal and any dream. I choose in favor of myself. I choose in favor of my goals and dreams. I refuse to tolerate mediocrity anymore. I choose in favor of my future. I choose in favor of future wealth. I choose to let anything go that no longer serves me. I choose to show up with a can-do, no matter what, whatever it takes kind of attitude every single day. I choose change. I choose transformation. I choose to get out of my comfort zone. I choose to prioritize my future wealth. I choose to prioritize my vision, my goal, my dream. I choose to prioritize success. I choose to go all in and make my goals and dreams non-negotiable. I choose to take radical responsibility. I choose to own my year. I choose to own my day. I choose to become the person I need to be, who is capable of achieving any goal that I have. I choose to be the best and most powerful version of me. I choose in favor of my vision and my goals. I choose in favor of me. I choose in favor of my future wealth. I choose to release my blocks, my fears, my doubts. I choose expansion. I choose growth. I choose radical responsibility. I choose to know I'm the one who controls my destiny. And I choose in favor of my destiny. I choose in favor of wealth. I choose in favor of freedom. I choose in favor of success. I choose to show up every day with a can-do, no matter what, whatever it takes attitude. I choose to take action. I choose to get out of my comfort zone. I choose to be relentless. I choose to be tenacious. I choose to be committed to my goals. I choose commitment to my future. I choose to be unstoppable. I choose to be unshakable. I choose not to allow my fears and doubts and limiting beliefs to control my decisions and my choices. I choose to make powerful decisions and take powerful action that gets me closer to my goal and dream every day. I choose this year to be the year that everything changes. I choose change, and I choose in favor of my future wealth. And I choose in favor of my future freedom. Okay, deep breath. And let it out. Okay, whatever it was that you wrote down in the beginning, go back and rate how intense that is for you on a scale of 0 to 10 now that you've done the tapping. All right, so those blocks that you've identified, you can go and you can tap on those to your heart's content. Tap and tap and tap until you feel them release their grip on you, because that's all you need. You need those blocks to finally release their grip on you enough that you are able to take consistent, aligned, inspired action every day. Now, if you're not familiar with who I am, then allow me to introduce myself. My name is Marguerita. I am the Woo Woo Warrior, and I've helped thousands of conscious change makers, spiritual entrepreneurs, freedom seekers, wealth creators just like you to clear their fears, doubts, blocks, and limiting beliefs so they could get on the fast track to being the best and most powerful version of themselves and creating life beyond their wildest dreams. So if you enjoy this content, then do me a favor, like and subscribe. Comment below, let me know how this landed for you. If you would like help to be the best and most powerful version of you and achieve life beyond your wildest dreams, then check out my Create Your Wealth by Design workshop. The link is in the description below. I take you step by step through processes, strategies, and ways to create the life that you desire and deserve. So check that out now. Go and register. I look forward to seeing you in the workshop. And if you want more videos to be able to help you to create an unstoppable money mindset that creates wealth this year, then check out my Money Mindset Challenge. It's a 30-day Money Mindset Challenge, and all 30 videos are in this playlist right here. Go and knock yourself out watching those videos, and I look forward to seeing you in the Create Your Wealth by Design workshop. Until next time, ciao for now.